Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman from Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about video games. A lot of people ask me about video games. Parents who have children that want to play them on their computer, or even adults that want to play them on their computer, and they want to know what's the safest way or the best way to play video games on the computer. And simply put, the easiest way to do that, or one of the easiest ways to do that, is with an app called Steam. There it is right there. This is something that you can download. All you have to do is Google Steam, and there it is right there. And just where it says install Steam, you just click on that, follow the prompts, and then you'll have Steam installed. Now, what is Steam? Well, Steam is a platform, if you double click on this link here, this icon, that will allow you to purchase video games online and have them installed on your computer. You don't even need to leave the house. You don't have, there's no package to unwrap, there's no nothing. You just basically go to the store and you find a video game you want and you click on it. And let's go to casual games right here. So if you put your mouse over where it says games, you go down to casual. And let's see here. There we go. Okay, so there are all these casual games that you can choose from. There are literally hundreds of games that you can choose from. Now, some games are going to require a beefier machine than others. So if we go to, I don't know, just at random, this one says, if you scroll down here, it'll tell you this needs a dual core processor, which is a fairly old processor, 2 gigs of memory. Most computers have that, and Intel integrated 520 graphics. So just about any computer will run this game. And they give you a description of it, and it's $4. You click add to cart, and then it'll give you instructions on how to install it. If you have a nicer machine with a video card, then you can play harder games that are going to be harder on your computer. And then you can also go through Steam and you could say, okay, what are the top selling games? Well, Artifact is, I guess, the top selling casual game. And for this, you need kind of a beefier machine. You need at least an i5 processor and 4 gigs of memory, but integrated graphics will run it. And apparently, it's a pretty well regarded game given how many people have downloaded it. So that is really the best way to play video games on your computer. The reason that using Steam is the best way to play video games on your computer is that the alternate ways are pretty bad and they leave your computer kind of vulnerable. One of the most common ways that people play games on the computer is on sites like Pogo. And Pogo, these sites demand that you use code like Java or Flash, and these are web codes that have been identified by browsers as leaving your computer vulnerable to attack. So I really don't recommend that you use websites like this. I recommend instead that you download and install Steam, because it's a much safer way to play games. You're not playing them in a browser. You're actually installing the game on your system. Having said that, the best way to play video games in terms of the least amount of trouble and the least amount of cost is going to be purchasing a console. So I just purchased the Xbox One S, and there it is right there. And you can get these for between $200 and $300 depending on what bundle you get. They'll usually come with either a couple controllers or they'll come with a controller and a game. And they also come with, currently they come with 3 months of Xbox Game Pass, which is basically like Netflix for video games. They have about 100 games or so on this service, and you can play them as much as you want. And all you got to do is pay, I think it's $10 a month. So that's what I'm doing. It's pretty cost effective, pretty handy. And instead of buying new games for my PC, I'm just buying, or rather, I'm just playing games on Game Pass using this console, and it's a lot of fun because you know you're more in the living room, you're playing with other people. There are co-op games that you can play which you don't get on PC, so I could definitely recommend this over PC gaming for the casual to uh, slightly interested. Once you get into the avid gamer, that's when you may want to invest in a gaming PC. Well, I hope this was informative and helpful. If so, please like and share this video. Please also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any need of computer repair in the Memphis, Bartlett, Collierville, Midtown, or Millington area, please feel free to give me a ring. Dave Bensman, Bensman Home Computer Repair at 830-4362. And as always, stay safe.